Tenoverall is a lifestyle meal prep company. We focus on nutrition, personal training, and delivered meal prep. We'll deliver to your house, and meals are cooked ahead of time, ready to go. You just heat them up.
It happened really organically, so I had no plan that, oh, I'm gonna start a business and do all of this stuff. I offered one of my clients, hey, like if I start cooking for you, would you be interested in buying from me weekly? And then it kind of started there, and I just started talking about it more, and a year later, it just kept going and growing very organically, and now we're working together and kind of keeping that going.
So I think what sets our company apart from other meal prep services is that we have the science base and the knowledge of what we're putting into your meals. You can be assured that they're gonna be well balanced, as well as healthy, as well as tasty. And I think that combined, the two of us make a perfect team for